In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead nurturing workflow in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to streamline your lead management process or simply optimize your communication strategies, setting up a lead nurturing workflow can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the entire process, step by step. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're on the home page, take a glance at the top right corner and you'll see the login option. Click on it. Here, you have a couple of sign-in choices, but for this demonstration, we're going to choose Sign In with Google. Go ahead and click that button, and from there, select the Google account you'd like to use to access HubSpot. Now that you're logged into HubSpot, direct your attention over to the menu and find the Automation section. Click on it, and then continue by selecting Workflows. This will bring you to a new page where you'll notice a variety of workflow options. Navigate to the top right corner again and select the drop-down labeled Create Workflow. When you click on that drop-down, you'll see the option for From Template. Select it to proceed. On the next screen, you'll see a left panel with several tabs. For our purpose, we want to focus on the Nurture Relationships tab. Click on that, and this will present you with templates specifically designed for nurturing leads. Go ahead and choose the popular template as an example. It's a flexible choice that can serve many common needs. Once you've selected the template, click on Use Template. This action will allow you to start customizing the workflow. At this point, you'll need to set up the email you want to send as part of your lead nurturing process. Customize the email content to align with your messaging strategy and ensure it resonates with your audience. After you're satisfied with your email setup, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Save button located at the top left of the page. It's easy to overlook this step, but it is crucial to prevent any loss of your hard work. With your email ready to go, shift your focus to the top right corner and click on Review and Publish. You'll be taken to a review screen where you can ensure everything is just how you want it. If you're confident in your setup, proceed by clicking Skip to Turn On. This takes you to the final step where you'll officially activate your workflow. Click on Turn On Workflow, and there you have it. Your lead nurturing workflow is now live and working for you. Thus, by following these steps, you'll have successfully set up a lead nurturing workflow in HubSpot, which can significantly improve your engagement strategy and help you manage leads more effectively. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in for more useful tips and guides.